It's gonna be emotional, kind of, and it's gonna be reality that actually she's actually really well, getting married.
I'm really out of words because Munyadziwa is my big sister. So yeah, I just want to say I'm really happy for her.
You are going to see a lot of fashion. The fashion is very over the top. We're dressing the bride, we're dressing the bridesmaids, we're dressing the groomsmen, and we made a shirt for the groom as well.
Good luck. I'm going to go to Mushelormi. I've been to any of the women. The first sister is on walking. Na somtani mburi chimbira zvamuno zvikezi moja na mini na matanda na mini matanda tikawo ni mara mini because it could be yeah so
you say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. It started when you said hello, just did something to me.